Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how you can create this kind of to-do list which is totally customizable, and you can add anything in here that you want. So yeah, make sure to simply follow step-by-step guide and you will get to know how to create this kind of to-do list in just a few seconds. So let's just say you are on your home screen and you cannot find any option to create your to-do list. We have some of the templates available which you can browse, and you can head over to templates, search in here for to do, but this is not the best way to do. And you can see we have weekly to-do lists, and these are simple to-do lists you can create using these. But what I recommend is you can get a head start by using this AI feature. Let me just show you that again. So you can see we have a to-do list generated over here. You can start typing everything and it will help you. So what you can do is simply head back to your home page, and over here what you need to do is simply use the marketplace. So you can head over to left side of your screen, and there you can see we have this marketplace section over here, and here we can search for to-do list just like that, and it will create us. So this is how simple it is. You can see we have all of these to-do lists available. So I hope this helps. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, guys, if you like the video. Stay tuned in for more videos like these, and see you in the next one.